Plastick Nature by Terence Craig. Dedication. Beatrice Muse, not poet, inspiring muse, though you might have been either, I surmise. You cannot both of these be, you must choose. O Pia with the melting soft grey eyes, confined but blameless under swampy skies, Janie pre-Raphaelite, a silent role, two men contending for love's groaning prize, who thought your silence meant you had a soul, while you knew nothing of your life's unconscious goal. This poem which I have finished after years, this poem of whose gestation you know naught, this poem is dedicated with my tears to you, a gift from me you never sought. And you may find that it provokes some thought, because you were my life's companion then, during the years of pondering that wrought the poem's beginnings, though you did not ken the search and research that at last informed my pen. For you had scant regard for what I did, but my companion in another sense you were, from others' gaze by darkness hid, night after night held in my grip intense, and loved to blank exhaustion. Only thence you entered with me, hand in hand, it seems, the dark realm which to waking is so dense. We fancy that we ship alone its streams, though it's a world we all explore, the world of dreams. My muse you are for better or for worse, because I knew the thing whereof I speak, when in your arms I heedless did disperse my inward store. And you, who seemed as weak a vessel for it as man might hope to seek, arose from strength to strength, with power unseen, a panting maenad, and upon the peak of pleasure from the woman you had been, you changed to animal, then into a machine. Such is the mind and body's mystery, the strangeness that is at the core of man, the will and thought that makes his history, the automatic patterns that yet can bring to fruition works that he began. Take then and read, for here the story's told of how men worshipped reason, tried to ban the lower instincts, and yet some were bold enough to seize the dross and know that it was gold.